Hello everyone, welcome to 8th grade math. I am Miss Garza, your math teacher, and this math is called Pre-Algebra. The reason it's called Pre-Algebra is because in high school you take algebra. And this math right here is strictly to prepare you for high school, okay? So if you don't do good, if you don't work hard here, high school is going to be a struggle. So let's go ahead and get a good foundation and work our way up, okay? A little bit about me. My name is Marissa Garza, but Miss Garza, obviously. I graduated from Conley myself in 2012. Yeah, that's kind of a long time ago. I went to this school, this junior high school, I went to it. So I know a lot about you guys just because I was one of you guys. I walked the halls just like you did. I probably got in trouble like y'all do. But I am now your teacher and things will be a little different. So y'all can't get away with stuff because I already tried it. Anyways, I also graduated college from Tarleton State University. I did it through Waco, which was really cool that I got to stay here and get a bachelor degree. I have been teaching. This is my 4th year teaching, so all in Conley. It's pretty cool, pretty fun. I have 2 kids. One is an 8-year-old. My daughter is an 8-year-old, or well, technically about to be 8. So she turns 8 on the 20th. Poor girl has her birthday at the start of school. Also, sorry to all of you guys who had a COVID birthday and didn't get to do nothing. Sorry. Yeah, 2020. So my daughter is about to be 8. I have a son. So if you remember me from last year, you might have remembered that I was pregnant. I don't know. Before we went out for spring break, I wasn't like giant pregnant. I was just normal pregnant. So you might not have noticed. But he's 2 months now. So he was born in June. I'll show you pictures one day whenever you come back to school, which is, we don't know when. I mean, we do know, but you have the option to do. Okay, anyways. I like to have fun and I like to laugh. So my math class is not a boring math class. It can be a boring math class if you don't do your work and listen and learn what you're supposed to learn. Okay, I can definitely make it a boring math class. But if you do what you got to do, if you learn and you try and you work hard, I promise you we're going to have fun. Okay? Because, yeah. Let's see. So some things about my class. I'm going to go ahead and talk about some rules that I have. So, I get it, it's math. It's an exponent. Oh my gosh, I have something in my... Oh well. R cubed. So, R raised to the 3rd power. The reason I say this is because respect is the biggest thing for me. Respect, R, get it? 3 times. Respect 3 times. So, what I mean by that is my simple rules are 3 rules. Respect yourself, respect others, and respect the environment. So I could come up here to you and list out a lot of rules, but I don't want to, okay? I feel that respect is a really big thing to me, and I will respect you very much as long as you respect me. Respect is one of the main things to me. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. It's also really awkward to video myself in an empty classroom. So, just saying. Okay. Okay, so respect. Respect is big to me. I kind of feel like it encompasses all the other rules that teachers have. Just might as well say all those are you being respectful. So first of all, respect yourself. Can't do much if you don't respect yourself. Just like, the whole self-love thing, gotta love yourself first. Yeah, I'm about it. If you respect yourself first, all the other stuff kind of falls in line. So respecting yourself would look like turning stuff in on time, being prepared, coming to class ready to learn. Do not just give up on work, on assignments, on a problem, on notes. Don't give up on stuff because it's difficult, okay? The thing about math is it stretches the brain and it makes you struggle. That's just part of math. Your brain will not grow that way. Athletes who work out in a gym, you think it's easy when they do 100 reps or whatever they're gonna do? No, that's because the more you work, the harder you work, the more you struggle, the more you grow, okay? So you will get smarter, but you have to put in the work. You have to, all right? So respecting yourself would be stuff like that. If you don't respect your education, you will not move further in life, okay? Yes, I know you're probably gonna be like, Miss Garza, what are we gonna use this on? Like, what are we gonna use this on? I get it. I asked the same question. So some of you may use it. That's my honest answer. A lot of you may use it. A lot of you may use a lot of different stuff at different times in your life. So it's good to know, it really is. But the other answer that I want to say is that math is like a workout for the brain. You think faster, you think smarter, you problem solve better in every area of life when you can problem solve in math, okay? So next, moving on, respect others. That would include me, your teacher. That would also include the people around you, your classmates, and your classmates right now might be your brothers and sisters and your parents and your dogs and your aunt and uncle, cousins, I don't know. So respect them, first of all, because that they are sharing their home, you know, you're supposed to be at school. So they are getting used to everything. Everybody's getting used to everything. Respect them. But whenever you come back to school, respect the kids in your class, okay? That is a big thing for me. We will have problems if you don't respect your friends or people around you, okay? They don't even have to be your friends, but you're gonna respect them. Same thing for me. You respect me, I respect you. That's just kind of how things go, okay? Be respectful to me, and I will let you know when you're not. The last part, respect the environment you're around. So yes, I want you to think of it as the whole, like, no littering outside and saving the planet. Yeah. That's also what I mean, but mostly what I mean is, like, if you were in school, the environment you're around is the school building, okay? So don't trash my classroom. If you drop something, pick it up and throw it away or whatever you gotta do with it. Don't just leave it on the floor for me to pick up later. Respect it as in don't break stuff. Don't just sit there and run around to where you could break stuff. So you gotta kind of be respectful. Same thing in the hallways, same thing in the cafeteria. You see me, my rules don't change wherever I'm at. It doesn't matter if I'm in my classroom or not. I am big on respect because respect doesn't need to be in just one place. Respect needs to be everywhere, Respect needs to be everywhere. When respect is everywhere, things run a lot smoothly, okay? So when you see me, know that I'm watching out for this stuff. Okay, moving on to how to contact me. So with the whole online stuff, things get a little bit crazy. If we were in school, contacting me, getting a hold of me, it would be easy because I'd be right here and you'd be able to come in and be like, Miss Garza, need help on this question, or how did you want me to do this? Okay, easy. I promise I'm up for any question, well, about math, but you know. Please don't just be like, oh, I don't know how to do this, I don't want to do it. Okay, reach out to me. My office hours are 8 to 10 in the morning, not in the afternoon, obviously. I mean, in the evening, obviously. I will be at my computer. I'll be at my desk. I'll be in my classroom. I can be on Google Meets. I will be able to answer any emails. This is my email, by the way, mgarza@conley.org. mgarza, Garza, okay? If you call the school and ask for Miss Garza, probably going to be here to answer. 8 to 10 is like guaranteed Miss Garza will answer. Okay, other times, Miss Garza could answer maybe later because I might be doing, you know, my own thing. If it's during a school day, I'll be able to answer really fast. And even if it's not, like if it's in the evening, I am taking care of a baby and a child, so, and I have a little puppy, so I gotta take care of her. And I could, you know, anyways, I'll get back to you. It might not be very fast, but I'll get back to you. And yeah, so please ask me anything you need from me concerning math, okay? I am very much here for you for a lot of stuff. So moving on to what you're expected to do this week. So this week, you have 2 assignments. This week, yes, only has 2 days. I know, but it's first. They're pretty easy. They're just like you just do them. Okay. So first assignment. Since I told you a little bit about me, I want to hear all about you. Okay, you'll get to know me a lot more throughout the year. I'll tell you little things here and there about me, just because I want you to know me, and I want to know you guys, and the whole like online stuff is not very personal, but I want it to be personal. So I want to know who you are. I want to know who you are, to where if I'm teaching you, I care about you. I care about you already, but I would like to know about you, so that way, I know who you are. Your next assignment is an IXL diagnostic quiz test, whatever you want to call it. It's not really. Basically, you will log on to IXL.com, and all the instructions are, like, all your assignments are also posted, I think, above this announcement post or below this. I think it's above, because I think the first thing I post comes at the bottom of Google Classroom, and the next things I post come like above it on your stream or whatever on Google Classroom. So just be aware. You'll have the announcement, which is this video. You'll have the All About Me assignment, which you will turn in through Google Classroom. The next assignment is your instructions to sign in to IXL, which is IXL.com. I'll get you your login info. You don't have to worry about that. You will take the diagnostic test quiz. I don't even want to call it a test. It's called a diagnostic, okay? Whenever you get to this website, there will be a green bar, and one of those words will be diagnostic. You will click on it, okay? And then you'll start answering those questions. It won't ever stop. Like, you're just going to keep answering questions until you answer questions and answer questions. I want you to spend about 45 minutes on it, okay? If you hit 40 minutes and you're just like, oh my God, I can't do any more math, it's okay. You can do it. You can stop. You don't even have to do all these 45 minutes at once. You can log into it today, do 15 minutes, log into it the next day, do 15 more, log into it the next day, do 15 more, and you're done. You did your 45 minutes, okay? But I need that to be done. I'm not grading this on like how fast you do it or anything like that, so take your time, okay? I can see how long you've lasted on each question, not just sitting there letting the computer run so it can go to 45 minutes. See, I know. So please, actually work and try those questions out. Okay, so that is all I have for this week. Next week, I will upload another video talking about the assignments for that week. So expect something like this from me every week until you see me back in class. So hope y'all have a good first week back. I know it's going to be, your brain is going to be pretty drained by the end of this week and next week, because you're going to be like, whoa, haven't done that much work in a long time. Okay? Yeah, so have fun. I guess I won't really see you soon, but